Here's another question that I'm asked when I'm running workshops on tools like Adobe Express, and that is, how can I create a profile image that stands out from the others? And how can we use tools like motion and animation to add a little bit of spice to the image that I'm creating? So that's what I'm going to show you in Adobe Express. And Adobe Express are sponsoring this post, so thanks to them. Let me show you how to do that really quickly. So here we are in Adobe Express. Fortunately, if you want to create a really standout profile picture, then you've got this quick tool here called Profile Picture Maker. And if I select that, then the first thing it's going to ask me to do is upload the image that I've got. So this is the image of me that I use for my profile picture. It's going to upload that and give me a whole series of different backgrounds. So what it's doing is it's doing a cutout. It's removing the background of everything apart from me as a human. And then it's going to apply different backgrounds, and I can take my pick. So you can see we've got different gradients here. We've got standing in front of star signs, hearts, whatever it is. So let me just pick one. Let's pick this blue one here, and I can highlight this one that I like, click on edit, and then it's going to create the file that I can then edit further. Now, once it's done that, it will give me all the components that I need. So here we are. It's taken my original image, and then it's removed the background and given me the background that I wanted. So that's quite cool that it showed you both of those processes. So I have two layers here. So I have me and I have the background. Now what I'm going to do here is, I don't know if you can see this on the screen, but I'm just going to extend my image a little bit further than the background. And that's for a specific reason, because I want to sort of have this really subtle zoom effect. This is fine as it is. I can upload this as my profile picture, but I want to have a little bit of movement, not say on the profile picture, but actually on any time that I use this image. So I'm going to click on animation, and rather than use, things that are not really in keeping with my branding, I'm going to pick something that's a bit more subtle. I'm going to the loop section and then click on zoom in here. So let me click on that. I'm going to adjust the settings here because, I want to be 40% bigger. I mean, that's just a general thing. And that's great. I'll use that. And then I've pretty much done it, and I can download it, and you'll see that it's recommending it's an MP4 file, but I can also choose a GIF if I want to. Now, if you were going to use this for something like Gmail, where your profile picture can be a GIF, one of the things that people are doing is having these animated profile pictures so that in the list of someone's inbox, your profile picture is moving when your competitors are not. I think that's quite clever. So I'm going to click on GIF there, click on download, and then my download is done. And then I have a video file and a profile picture that's going to stand out from the rest. If you're interested in trying Adobe Express, all you have to do is visit adobe.com/express, and you can try the profile maker or one of the thousands of templates that exist, so you don't have to start from a blank page. I'd be really interested to know what you're creating, so please share them with me, and I will be back soon with another answer to a question that I get asked quite a lot.